Alicia.
What?
It's your birthday.
Okay.
This card is from me and Willa.
Okay.
Willa picked it out.
Show Willa.
Willa picked it out.
Willa.
Willa picked it out. Willa the long dog. Okay.
Okay. I have a feeling of what it might be.
Ah. Don't guess.
Willa. Oh, Willa. Willa, it's you. Look. It's just like her. Even like the stripe.
Open it up. Wait a minute. Wait. No. Open the card up.
Okay. Oh my god!
Look what it does.
Willa and Mom.
Show it.
Yes, we hope you enjoy. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Here's the card. Willa and Willa!
That's her with
It's a
Frank.
pop-up.
It's her with Frank.
Okay, now you can see what was in the card. Now, I know you may not like this, but...
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What is it? What is it?
Oh my god! There 2 tickets to go see Christina Perri.
Ah!
Okay.
You gonna take Willa?